Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am showing Sankashtahara Chaturthi Puja with arrange. Please watch this, not skipped. I made Ganapati with turmeric powder. We can offer prasad to Ganapati if we have anything. If you do this puja, your mind will be at peace. I am worshipping Ganapati with favorite flowers with 108 mantras. After this puja should be done in the evening moon puja. Ganapati blessings to be available to everyone. Puja is complete. I hope like this video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.